艾丽，你怎么回家呢 ？OK， 下一个单词你们都听过。The next word you have all heard before. It's zěnme. But before, when you heard it, it was part of 怎么样, right? Now we're going to focus on 怎么, that part. 怎么, Z-E-N third tone, M-E neutral. Now, 怎么 means how or why, depending on the context. But here, we're going to focus on how.
Very good. Now, 怎么 can be used in different ways in Chinese grammar, but the way we're going to focus on is subject, 怎么, verb, and object. So let's practice 怎么.
Let's do it.
Let's practice saying 怎么 2 times. 怎么.
怎么
怎么 can mean how, what, or why, but we're going to focus on the how. So this is a really important phrase to learn. If you wanted to ask somebody how you say something in Chinese, how would you ask that question using 怎么? You would say the word Chinese, 中文, the word that you wanted to know how to say in Chinese, 怎么, and then 说 to say. For example, 中文 weather 怎么说? That means how do you say weather in Chinese? The answer to that question would be 天气. Now, how would you ask, how do you say hot in Chinese? 中文 hot 怎么说? Practice that 2 times. 中文 hot 怎么说?
"中文 hot 怎么说?
Of course, you're no fool. The answer to that question would be 热. What do you think this means? 你怎么去? That means how are you getting there or how are you going, as in what method of transportation. Let's practice that 2 times. 你怎么去?
你怎么去?
Great job, everybody. Practice, practice, practice.